right, so you guys are going camping this year or just to the grill, to the park, this is a perfect mate to take with you. So we're going to take a look at it and see what we get. But first of all, just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this out for a review. So it's a beautiful day to barbecue outside, but you don't want to put charcoal, you don't want to go through the hassles. Well, let's take a look at this and see what you get. You get it, look how well packed it is, guys. It's well secure, well packed in here. It comes with its own bag, of course, and this is easy to carry on. You saw the case itself, how easy it is and how compact it was. So we're gonna take it out and see what you get and how to put it together. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, here it is. Look how simple it was to set up. Now, just to let you guys know, you don't have to use the tray, but look at the tray, has a dripping on the side of it that you go clean it up. All the drippings could fall to the side. If you guys can know that, you see that. Now it does have two setups, so you could actually, but you're gonna actually need two gases, all right? Or if you buy two lines connected to each other and then to one main line, you can do that on a main line, all right? So let's take a look at it underneath, all right? And just to let you guys know, the button here, it has static already, so you could just push the button. You could actually see the electricity going. You can see it, how it turns on, and it's set up already. It's built in already. You don't have to modify anything. It transforms into this grill. Real simple, easy to use. It fits in the bag with everything on. So once, it's not that much maintenance you have to do on the cleaning. If you guys notice, there's a lot of places you could scrub down. If anything drippings or anything happens, you could easily clean the top, all right? It has a cover here, protective cover for the actual knob, so you can get burned. I like that part of it. The holder, you could relocate this anywhere. Now in the bottom, we're gonna take a look at the bottom. This is important, right? The legs grab on through the middle here, right? And these are the kind of settings you're gonna require for your gases, right? Because they do have converters, and it does come with one right now. Let me show you guys. There is one gas converter here. Basically, you put it in there and you attach it to your gas right here. So one of them is converter, right? So you guys can see your gas converter. How to convert it, right? You just twist it in there, and that's what you do. That's pretty much it, right? We got the gas with the adapter, and these are the regular propane tanks. These cost like $1 at the store. All right, so we're gonna turn it on now. Turn it on, and then turn on the gas. There it goes. There we go. Turn it up. And we're good. We're ready to heat up stuff. So let's go ahead and start. All right, we're putting one canister in right now. It is heating up a little bit. If you guys notice, I didn't put it super fast, like super strong, but I'm just using one side for now because I only need one side and we're cooking the meats in here. But if you take it camping, this is perfect for your eggs, your bacon, your basic stuff. I mean, not only that, I like that they have the other pan, so I am going to do fried rice with it, maybe some other time, but right now we're just going to enjoy making some meat right now and using our utensils. And using one side is perfect. It was automatically, with this thing came on right now, I just put it in, plugged it in, tie it up. You could hear the air pass by. As soon as that happened, I was set to go. So we're gonna wait and cook some more here, see how long it takes us, but hope you guys enjoyed the video.